Hey there, thanks for stopping by. If you're here because you're tired of worrying about your blood sugar levels and just want a natural way to support your health, I want you to know you're not alone. Blood sugar concerns affect millions of people, but the good news is there's a natural and powerful solution out there, and it's called GlucoBerry. Now, before you click away, here's something important. GlucoBerry isn't sold on Amazon or any random online store. It's only available through the official website, and that's for a very good reason. That's the only place where your order is protected by a 180-day money-back guarantee. So if you're serious about getting real results and peace of mind, make sure you grab it from the right place. There's a link below this video that takes you straight to the official site. So what exactly is GlucoBerry? It's an advanced formula specifically designed to support healthy blood sugar levels by clearing the blood sugar drain, a key mechanism in your body responsible for flushing out excess sugar. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, including Maqui berry, gymnema leaf, chromium, and biotin. These powerful nutrients work together to help your body naturally regulate blood sugar and prevent harmful spikes. If you've been struggling with unstable blood sugar, GlucoBerry might be the breakthrough you've been looking for. What I love most is that GlucoBerry doesn't just mask the symptoms, it actually supports the root cause of blood sugar imbalance. Maqui berry helps dissolve the sticky protein that clogs your blood sugar drain, allowing your body to flush away excess sugar efficiently. Gymnema leaf has been clinically shown to support healthy A1C levels, while chromium and biotin enhance insulin function, helping to balance blood sugar naturally. Imagine what it would feel like to have steady energy throughout the day, without the highs and crashes, to eat your favorite meals without worrying about extreme sugar spikes, to finally take control of your blood sugar naturally and feel like yourself again. That's what GlucoBerry is designed to help you achieve. And the best part? You can try GlucoBerry completely risk-free. Thanks to the 180-day money-back guarantee, if you don't feel the difference, you get every cent back. But again, only if you order from the official website. Other sites might sell lookalikes, but they won't honor refunds. So if you're ready to take back control of your blood sugar, improve your health naturally, and do it with zero risk, go ahead and click the official link in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I hope GlucoBerry helps you feel like you again.